tell us something about this project?
Well, it's an artist's installation, supposed to be a rooftop garden. The process started in summer 2017. We've come together with the artists who are doing the installation here. The artists decided that it's got to be cherry trees.
Okay.
And they want to see the cherry blossom, and after that we've ended up in Berlin with the nursery Lloyd, and the delivery happened yesterday. They were lifted on top of this park deck here, and we've rigged them into those plant halls.
Can you tell us something about the trees themselves?
The tree here, this one here, is 1.3 ton. 1.3 ton, roughly 20 years old.
All right.
About 5 meter high from ground level, from the original ground level, which is a bit further down now. They're fruiting cherries.
All right.
So if we're lucky, if the magnetic field in this first alpine open space steel cage isn't too bad, the bees will find the way in.
All right.
And they'll pollinate the flowers, and with any luck we'll have some cherries.
What do you think? How long will they stay up here? What's the plan?
The original plan was 2 to 3 years, and I can't do it any longer because we've got limited root space.
All right. You were using Teufelberger ropes for?
Yeah, for the rigging to get them trees into the actual plant holes.
Okay.
We've built a cradle with my very cherished colleague John Lloyd, who's a rigging superstar from my point of view. We've rigged them up, built this cradle around the root ball so it's always level, and we've then lowered them into the plant pots. The T-Rex, 22 mil I think it is, isn't it? T-Rex will stay in the plant holes.
Okay.
We've dug a length of rope in there as well, so just on its own. So we'll take it out after the duration, do some pulling tests whether it's still strong enough.
Interesting. So it is more than an artistic project, it's also like a rope testing project for us there.
yeah, if you will, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. So then I want to thank you very much for inviting us again, and hope to see you soon in the future again.
Nice one.
Nice.
Thanks for your support. Very, very, very treasured.
Welcome. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.